What's poppin', y'all? It's your girl, the SASS, exploring all the fire things in life. Today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I made this beautiful birthday cake cocktail. Sorry, the sprinkles are kind of falling, but I'm gonna show you how I made this wonderful drink. It tastes good too, by the way, for my birthday, which is today, and I don't want you guys to miss out. And before we get to this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss a video from me, your girl. Here's to chapter 34. Alright guys, so the ingredients you're going to need, I got the Smirnoff vanilla flavor because they didn't have the cake flavor in the Smirnoff. I couldn't find any at LCBO, so I went with the vanilla flavor. If you can get the Smirnoff, the cake flavor, do that. I got the chocolate flavor Cream de Keiko, I think it's called. It's right there, I can't pronounce it, y'all know. We have the corn syrup. This is how we're going to rim our plate. I bought some sprinkles. Ooh. And in case you guys are interested, I bought some whipped cream and some candles, honey. This is the glass we are working with today. I want to put it into like a martini glass, but I like this glass better. So don't forget your sprinkles. Ooh. I'm just gonna dump all of them there. Anything I don't use, I can just put back into the bag. There's our sprinkles. We're gonna add the sprinkles right over here, guys. Cute. Drench it, drench it, drench it. Okay. Alright, that's how we drenching it. That's how we drenching it. Oh yeah, I almost forgot, guys. You're gonna need a half and half, okay? Don't forget your half and half cream. We are gonna start with 2 ounces of vanilla vodka. Let's take that, open that up. And then we're gonna go with our white chocolate cacao or cream of cacao, whatever it's called. Okay, they're gonna want 1 ounce of that, so we're gonna do that. This is the 2-ounce cup, but we're still gonna put just 1 ounce in there. Okay. We are gonna do 2 ounces of that half cream. There we go, right there. Oop, 2 ounces. We are gonna add some ice into that to chill it out. Let's shake it up, let's shake it up. Let's turn this up. Shoot. All right, let's put it in. Let's put this all the way to the top. Ooh. Okay, honestly, before I put on the whipped cream, I want to see how it tastes, if it actually tastes good. All my sprinkles are falling, guys. Oh my god. Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. I taste the chocolate. Okay, I see where you guys are going with this. I see where you guys are going with this. Recipe from Pinterest, of course. So it tastes good. It tastes really, really good. I'm not like a fan of vanilla, but this is aight, this is aight. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's finish it off with our whipped cream, honey. Woo, too fast. Woo. Let's add a candle. Ooh, so cute. All right, guys, there you have it. This is my birthday cake drink. Oop, let's fix this. I decided to make one for you guys for my birthday. Today is my birthday. That's why this week's video was a late drop. I was just kind of waiting. Just might as well drop out my birthday. Let's light this. Ooh. Can you guys see it? Oh, it's lighting up, yay! All right guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any ingredients that I could have added or to try out. This drink is good, so if you want to make a little drink for your birthday, maybe you have a gathering and stuff like that, and you want some drink ideas, this is it. I just lit my candle. Here's to chapter 34. I'm 34 today, oh my god. Entering into this chapter of my life, I think there are 3 rules that I need to stand firm by, which is I'm gonna only say it once, I'm gonna only ask once, and I'm gonna only send the invitation out one time. Chapter 33 has been really good to me, but one of the things I have learned, and I've continued to learn, is that not to wait on nobody to do what you want to do in your life, okay? You know, they always say if you wait on someone to do something you want to do, you're gonna be waiting forever. And I feel like there's been a lot of opportunities that I've missed out on, waiting on people's responses, waiting on people to be ready, waiting on people to just get back to me. And I feel like entering this chapter 34, I'm not doing that anymore. I'm not doing it anymore. And I don't, but I'm going to try to be more firm with those top 3 rules. I'm not gonna repeat myself. I'm not gonna do the explanation thing all over again. Like, especially when I'm dealing with grown-ass people. Like, you're grown, I shouldn't have to tell you things more than once. And when I just say that, I just say explaining myself. I don't wanna do it, I'm tired. And you know what? As always, you know, I'm a one-woman army. I roll by myself for the most part, but I'm gonna stand completely firm on this so that I can avoid disappointment, I can avoid delays, and avoid missing opportunities, great opportunities that I feel will be well for me. So anyways, make sure you guys tune in next week because there's a couple of gifts I want to unwrap for you guys.